Step into our bustling high-end workshop where we're currently assembling the cutting-edge electric model that is going to export it to the UK. In here, each new energy vehicle rolls off the production line every 45 minutes. Our portfolio comprehensively spans new energy buses, heavy-duty trucks, light-duty trucks, mining trucks, and airport shuttle buses, catering to every niche market. Recently, 46 of our state-of-the-art airport shuttle buses embarked their journey to Spain, set to serve 15 major airports across the nation. We automate nearly 60 key technological improvements and optimization tailored to European clients' needs.